to a how-to video from the Culinary School of Fort Worth. My name is Mark Hitri, one of the chef instructors here, and I'm going to do a demonstration on how to carve an apple apple elephant. This is the end product. These are what we're going to cut the pieces of the apple into. It's going to be 1 apple and 3 toothpicks are all you need to create this fun little elephant. Be a nice party favor at bridal showers or kids' birthday parties. So the first cut we're going to do is just to the one side of where the stem would be. And then the second cut is just on the other side of that. This piece is going to become the trunk and the ears. So sometimes one side of the apple is bigger than the other, and you want the larger side to be the trunk and the smaller side will be the ears. To get the ears, then this piece is going to be cut in half. Definitely helps to have a sharp knife. A sharp knife is a safe knife. A dull knife is a dangerous knife. Then from here, a nice straight cut there, and then follow the curve of the apple to get this piece out. And then we have our 2 ears and the trunk from that center piece. Now, this piece here is going to be the body, and from here we get the head, the tail, and the legs. So the head will be about the upper third of the apple, and then you will cut 2 little notches for the ear. Work that out, and then work that out. Same thing on the other side. And there will be the head. From here, out of the middle of this, you're going to, similar to how you cut the trunk out, this is going to become the tail. And then these become the legs. So we have 4 legs, and then you will cut a little notch for the tail, kind of a square shape cut there, where the tail will poke into that. Pop that out. Two of the toothpicks cut in half. Oh, I'm gonna have to get another one here. Let me set up the legs. Insert the tail. Then a toothpick into the trunk. Trunk goes on the body. Head goes onto the trunk. And then it's a little thick, wedge the ear into those notches we cut. Voila, apple elephant.